Why do so many older Jamaican grandparents and great-grandparents speak Spanish? And why are so many of them part Cuban, Panamanian, and Nicaraguan? This is because of three reasons. The first one being the Panama Canal. So the Panama Canal was a major engineering project in Panama, which is a Spanish-speaking Central American country, and a lot of its labor came from Jamaica. In fact, between 1904 and 1914, around 200,000 workers were recruited, and a lot of these workers came from Jamaica. And even after working there, a lot of them will settle, establish, a Jamaican community and a presence in Panama, which is still there today. Now that's number one. Number two is the United Fruit Company. Now the United Fruit Company was a fruit production company based in Central America, and they established banana plantations in Costa Rica, Honduras, Guatemala, and they preferred to hire English-speaking Caribbean workers, in particularly Jamaicans, because they were seen as more experienced in agriculture, plantation agriculture specifically. They came in such large numbers that they established communities in these places, Honduras, Guatemala, and places like Puerto Limon in Costa Rica. They left a long-lasting presence and legacy. Then you also have the Cuba sugar industry expansion. So essentially, the destruction of Cuba's sugar industry created a need to rebuild and expand production. Jamaican laborers who were experienced in sugar cultivation were often recruited. And these work migrations from Jamaica to Cuba were often seasonal, but a lot of them will settle, especially in places like Oriente in eastern Cuba. So in all of these Spanish-speaking countries, Jamaicans will go, come back, settle, integrate, learn Spanish, and pass it down. If you want to learn more about history like this and so many other topics that you don't really know the answer to within Black history, make sure to get my ebook, Ultimate Black History Guide. The link is in my bio.